Sheesh! After doing some night activities out here, well, I'm really just driving. It's nice to see this place in the daytime. Trains everywhere. The whole train station to the right. At least there's city parking everywhere, but I won't need it. This place is just as beautiful in daytime. Just as nice. Casinos. Back to some form of motor speedway for me. Everyone's in my way. Get out of the way. Got a nice tunnel. Once again, don't mind if I do. Tunnels. And then there's traffic cameras out there too. I think the one thing I know about Switzerland is there's a lot of cameras out here. Let me see if I can spot it. Nope, not here. But I guarantee you there's a lot. Look, right there. Up top. Camera there. Just for entry. Sheesh. What a view. The one thing I noticed about all of Europe just driving around is the views. There's a lot of views, a lot of mountains and stuff, but wow. You know, I think I'm on an epic drive, on one of those epic roads in Europe without even realizing it. More tunnels. So I pulled off to the side because this epic view, and I just gotta come out here and just like, wow. Just wow. This is Switzerland, people. This is Switzerland. Early morning Switzerland. I'm at some hotel parking lot. I'm on this road. Tunnels on tunnels. I've already gone through 10 tunnels traveling here through the mountains. All the tunnels are going through mountains, but yeah, a lot of tunnels, a lot of open road. A fantastic Lexus RCF, great GT touring car. Man, when they say GT car, it is literally a GT car. But just look at this place. Absolutely beautiful. What do we have here? Just nothing but good views. Alright, I'm at half tank. I think it's time for me to add some gas because I just don't want to get stuck anywhere around here. But look at this epic view. Alright, and turn. I'm gonna say that the gas prices here are gonna be ridiculous. I can already foreshadow it. It says I'm almost there. Is that it? Is that it? Oh, what? How much is that? Okay, that's good. The other spot was like a whole $1 more per gallon. I hope they're open though. So the other spot was closed. Yeah, I'm going to this one. Sheesh. Please be open on this side. Please be open. You look open. All right, diesel 95. Oh, I can use my card? Oh, hell yeah. So, I got a problem. After going to like 2-3 other fuel gas stations, yeah, they want you to pay first, and some credit cards aren't working. I unfortunately have to come back to the very first stop, and I got paid, was it? Yeah. I got paid 2.45 francs per liter, which is about 2.6 United States dollars for 1 liter. So multiply that by 3.78. That gets you, damn, I don't know, that probably gets you about $10 United States. I'm about to pay $10 a gallon for some fuel. Oh well, I need it. I have to really wipe that and wash it because it's super dirty. 98. Alright, I'm kind of scared to look at this number. God damn. Alright, so this is francs, this is liters, so this is what I'm paying. So 1 franc equates to about 1.08 United States. So I'm paying 70, let's say $80 for half a tank. Oh my God. Oh well. I guess that's what I gotta do to travel around. Oh well. So I think I'm coming up on Susten Pass, which is 11 miles. I feel like I'm driving, I feel like I'm in the movie Cars. This is what it feels like. What speed restrictions at now? Woo! Hairpin. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, this is beautiful. What? This is amazing. Maybe 3rd gear is fine. No need to go all out. I am on the side of a mountain for real though. Ooh. Man, when I travel, it's, for me, it's all about the drives. It's all about the drives. Tunnels, do the mountain. Wow. Wow. So epic. GT car doing this thing. Oh my God, there's no guardrails over there. Holy crap. Uh-oh. Sheesh. Twists and turns with the views, you can't beat it. Man, outstanding. Well, this sucks. We all gotta turn around because roadblock. This sucks. If that guy can get through, I'm gonna do the same thing he's doing. If he can get through, maybe there's a different route to get through where I want to go. But there is a lot of snow over there, so maybe it's not so safe. But I tried. Damn it! Oh well. Let's go. Let's try another adventure, different spot. Oh, he made it. I can't believe I legit made a little, I actually did a U-turn like here. Insane. With like no space, but I meant to do it. Wild. But anybody scared of heights? I'll be honest with you, I'm scared of heights, and just looking at this to the right, That is insane. I feel like I'm about to fall off. I just had to step out and just observe everything. Like, just look at everything. Just look at everything. You can hear the valley. You hear that water. Sucks for the van that just passed by. They're gonna get stuck just like I was stuck. Car's looking pretty good though. All right. I don't know how I'm gonna get to where I want to go, but I'm gonna find some place to go and I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna head right back into Germany. But I'm gonna probably go on the left side because the right side is a little bit too scary. A little scary. This Porsche is smart for parking back here. Funny thing is, I actually went to this stop earlier before, trying to get gas. Didn't know it went all the way up there. Well, I think that's gonna be it for me, guys. All right, guys, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Hey, it didn't turn out how I wanted. I wanted to go to Susten Pass all the way in, but there was too much snow. Susten Pass is where Top Gear is like the little snake turns. It's like a series of snake turns, and it's really cool. So hang on, tunnel. Pretty sure there's some sort of camera around here somewhere. There's always some sort of camera. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.